Spring is here, so we're going to learn how to make a sun catcher with Bowdabra. This is so easy to do. I've already taken my Bowdabra wire, cut a piece, and folded it in half. You're then going to take your craft ring, put the two ends and the craft ring into the Bowdabra as such. Tuck this end down underneath and this end down. Then you're going to layer, if you want. You can use one ribbon, that's okay. And you're going to push it down into the Bowdabra and twist. Make a loop and twist. If you're going to use two ribbons, then just make sure that they're set in place and twist. Loop and twist again. Loop and twist. Loop and twist. Loop and twist. And then you're going to cut on an angle. Flip it around. Make sure you get it all through the slip knot. Pull it tight. Flip it over. Tie a knot. Secure it with another knot. And then you're going to fluff it. You can wrap this piece of wire around your finger. Snip the excess away. And cut those to your liking. Now you're ready to hang your charm. And there is your sun catcher. This is what they look like when they're all fluffed up. Hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and see you next time.